all fixed?
Yeah.
Good. Wait, are we going to play with it now? Watch your head, please, when you stand up. It's not a flashlight. That's a extension socket thing.
Let me find a new one. There's a fuse on.
Waddy, please don't do that. How about you push that drawer in and pull out another drawer?
This one?
No, push that drawer back in first. I don't want it to get off balance.
Where? This one?
Push this one in first. There we go.
Don't have a wrench in here.
No, the wrenches are in the drawer above. You're just too short to see.
What are these?
Those are pliers and tin snips and wire cutters.
Oh, this one?
Good job with those wrenches, buddy.
This. I want.
You need to be very careful with that. Why don't you give that to Daddy?
Oh,
And Daddy can just put it right back.
I want a new one.
Yeah, we don't play with it.
Eddie, how about we put all the wrenches back in the little pockets?
Hey, you want to put your wrenches back in the couch? Oops, sorry. Let's see. Do we have those here? Down here are the other extensions. Okay. Okay. What do you want with that wood?
This is for different wood. Oh, cut it.
You're gonna cut.
My mom.
You're gonna cut it with pliers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open it. Help me.
Well, you know, you don't have the right tool for your goal.
Yeah.
Daddy can give you some nails and a hammer.
Put it.